but Nifty rollovers have picked up. This is versus yesterday. We told you in the morning that Nifty rollovers were lower than averages as far as yesterday is concerned. Total turnover of Nifty future is also looking good. So there is some activity into the Nifty 50 pack and 8,720. It's the second time. Yesterday we did go till that level, and today for a moment we went down, but then we did see a decline coming in. 54 points higher for the Nifty. The data is looking decently fine. Let's welcome in our next guest, Manappuram Finance. The management at Manappuram Finance now joins us. It's been a name which has been performing, which has been doing well. 16% higher in the last 1 month and about 182% in the last 6 months or so. So if you could just start by explaining us about the gold loan business. You're the second largest gold financer. What is the sort of growth, and do you expect this growth to continue?
Yeah, what we project is 20% CAGR during this year, which will be achieved. Yeah, but we were able to get advantage of the higher price during the first quarter. But anyway, so what we expect is 20% CAGR.
As far as cost of financing is concerned, that continues to decline because the rates in the system are lower.
Yeah. So one advantage we got is our rating. Credit rating has been upgraded to AA- by both by CRISIL and ICRA. The other thing, because of our good relations and also because of the liability mix, we are able to bring down the cost. Over the last 1 year, it has come down by 100 basis points. I hope there will be a further reduction of around 20 basis points in the coming 1 quarter, which will bring the borrowing cost below 10%.
As far as Manappuram Finance is concerned, you're looking at other products for growth, and by 2020, you expect gold business to reduce substantially in terms of percentage of total revenue?
That is our expectation. What we feel like our ideal mix on the asset side would be 50% gold and 50% other products. We are into other products now. Housing, affordable housing finance is one area. The other is commercial vehicle finance. The third is microfinance. We see as the scope for growth in these areas, and there will be greater thrust to grow these areas. So I hope in another 4 or 5 years it could be achieved.
Right, and would that be a process of de-risking the gold business, as in the gold finance business?
Absolutely, it is, because gold now we have de-risked in several ways. The gold loan itself, one, so by reduction in LTV to around 65%, then the products being made short term rather than 1 year. Regular interest collection, this online payment system, all these de-risk even gold loan to a great extent. Then, of course, these areas will reduce the problem of price vulnerability of the metal on the security side. That's the reason.
As far as new product launches are concerned, you have also been looking at the online platform. What has been the response to that?
It is very good. Now, we started around 6 months back. Now, we have built a portfolio of around 700 crores in the online platform, OGL, where the customer can park his gold in any of our offices and avail the loan 24 hours, 7 days. That it is possible. So it has made his life more convenient, the loan process very convenient. The other thing is, for making payment also, this online facility is available, and this has helped us in reducing the interest accrual, which was interest accrued was around 8% around 18 months back. Now it has gradually come down. It is around 3%. That means nearly 2 months interest, less than 2 months interest is accrued. The balance, everything is collected on time.
As far as the current loan book is concerned, you continue to expect the strong performance. Last 12, 13 quarters, your numbers have constantly looked good.
Yeah, we expect, as I mentioned, our debt for the next 5 years, what we project is 20% CAGR. So during the first quarter, we could get a better growth, but I feel like it will get slightly moderated in the coming months, but this will be achieved.
As far as microfinance is concerned, you've acquired a company of late. But if you just look at microfinance as a business, do you think the opportunity is still very, very large versus what current microfinance players are present and wherever they are present?
Yes. At the moment, the opportunity is very bright because the large microfinance players are in the mood of converting themselves as small finance banks, or one has already become a universal bank. So there is a gap now, there is a vacuum now, which we are trying to fill. Our microfinance subsidiary, where we hold around 90%, its credit rating also has been upgraded to A+ by CRISIL, which is one of the highest in the industry. With that, the company is able to attract debt at a lower rate, and also it gives a cushion for a good liability mix. So this has reduced the rate of interest, and this is going to benefit the borrowers also, because in the microfinance industry, as you know, there is a cap on the rate of interest. So there is a NIM cap, so it is going to benefit the customer, and also it will give a boost to the business growth also.
Mr. Nandakumar, thank you so much for explaining us about the company as well as the outlook on the gold finance business. Markets looking strong, 58 points higher for the Nifty now.